Namaskar, my name is Pawan Phande and I am trainer of SketchUp and VRIC course. So let's get started the course now. Let's take a look at the sum of the presets and setting or podium. Else just click on the name here and you have a various different option for the podium. You can set the image size, you can set where you wanted to save the actual rendering as well as the format. You also have those different presets that allow different lighting, for example for interior or exterior rendering. Now if you need something quick, you can of course use the interior preview, but I think we have our settings down pretty good, so we can use the default interior. You can also click on the environment and this is where you can control the intensity and exposure of the sunlight as well as control various different options in our rendering. We going to turn on shadows, and since we are not facing nowhere not going to get, so I want to bump up the sun and bright sky as possible. We are also going to check soft omni light. This makes the lights looks more realistic. However, it is a longer render time. We'll also select geometry catching as think makes it faster to render. In case you make any changes and need to catch all of that geometry again. The last one is just automatic materials. Now you actually just always have selected this text, the default material and SketchUp up and sets level to them. Once you have the option set, you can go ahead and click OK, and now you are ready to render. Thank you.